You've been driving your Subaru for years. You use your key fob every single day. Lock, unlock, maybe remote start if you're lucky. But here's the truth. You're only using about 20% of what your key fob can actually do. That little piece of plastic in your pocket has hidden features and secret tricks that Subaru dealers never bothered to tell you about. Features that make your life easier. Features that can save you in emergencies. Features that'll make you look like a tech genius to your friends. I'm talking about things like opening all your windows at once from outside the car, disabling your panic alarm before it goes off, finding your car in a massive parking lot, programming multiple driver profiles, and even tricks that can get you into your car when your battery is dead. Most Subaru owners will own their car for 5, 10, even 15 years and never discover these features exist. Today, I'm exposing every single hidden trick your Subaru key fob can do. Some work on all Subarus. Some are specific to certain model years, and some require a quick reprogramming that takes 30 seconds. Whether you drive a 2015 Outback or a brand new 2024 Crosstrek, whether you have a basic key or an advanced smart key, this video will completely change how you use your Subaru. Let's get into it. Hidden feature number 1, remote window roll down. Here's the first trick that blows everyone's mind. You can roll down all 4 windows from outside your car using just your key fob. Why would you want to do this? Hot summer day. Your Subaru has been baking in the sun. The interior is 140 degrees. Instead of opening the door and getting blasted with heat, you can vent the car before you even get in. Here's how to do it. For 2010 to 2019 models, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for about 3 seconds. Keep holding it. All 4 windows will start rolling down. Release the button when the windows are down as far as you want. For 2020 plus models. Some newer models require you to press unlock 3 times, holding on the 3rd press. Check your owner's manual for your specific model. The windows will roll down completely or stop when you release the button, depending on your model year. This is an actual Subaru feature that's buried in the owner's manual that nobody reads. It's not a hack, it's intentional design. And here's a bonus. On some models, this also opens the sunroof if you have one. Hidden feature number 2, remote window roll up with a twist. If you can roll windows down remotely, you can also roll them up, right? Yes, but there's a catch. Subaru disabled this feature in the US for safety reasons. They don't want someone accidentally closing windows on a kid's hand from across the parking lot. But here's the workaround. You can't roll them up with the key fob remotely, but you can roll them up from outside the car if you're right next to it. Lock the car with the key in the door lock, not the fob. Turn the key to lock and hold it in the lock position. All windows will roll up. Keep holding until they're fully closed. This works even if your battery is dead or your fob isn't working. Hidden feature number 3, keyless access battery save mode. Your key fob battery is dying. The car barely recognizes it. You don't have a replacement battery with you. Here's the trick to make it work. Hold the key fob directly against the start button. Press the start button while the fob is touching it. This uses a backup RFID chip in the fob that doesn't require battery power. You can start your car even with a completely dead fob battery. This works on all push-button start Subarus from 2010 onwards. It's literally saved people who were stranded in parking lots with dead fob batteries. Hidden feature number 4, the secret mechanical key location. Speaking of dead batteries, what if your car battery is dead and your fob battery is dead? You can't unlock the doors with the fob, but there's a hidden mechanical key inside your key fob that nobody tells you about. Here's how to find it. Look for a small button or slider on the side of your key fob. Press or slide it. A physical metal key will pop out or slide out. This key fits into the driver's door lock under a cover on some models. You can manually unlock your car old school style. This mechanical key is your backup for when all electronics fail. I've met Subaru owners who've had their car for 5 years and had no idea this key existed. Hidden feature number 5, programming a second key fob yourself. Dealerships charge $200 to $300 to program a new key fob. They make it sound like it requires special equipment. For most Subarus, you can program it yourself in 30 seconds. Here's how. For 2010 to 2018 models, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Within 10 seconds, open and close the driver's door 10 times. Remove the key from the ignition, or turn it to off if push button. Open and close the driver's door one more time. Insert the key and turn it to on, or press the start button without brake. Lock and unlock the door using the power lock button. You'll hear a chime. Press lock and unlock on your new key fob. Wait for another chime. The key is now programmed. Turn off the ignition. You just saved $200. Note, this procedure varies by model year. Check a Subaru forum or your manual for your specific year. Hidden feature number 6, panic alarm disable. Before it goes off, you accidentally hit the panic button. The alarm starts blaring. Everyone in the parking lot is staring at you. Instead of frantically pressing buttons, here's the instant fix. Press the panic button again. That's it. The alarm stops immediately. Hidden feature number 7, remote start extended time. If you have factory remote start, it normally runs for 10 minutes then shuts off. But what if you're stuck in a longer meeting or your food order is taking forever? You don't want to go outside and restart it. Here's the trick. While the car is already running from remote start, press the remote start button again. The timer resets to another 10 minutes. You can do this up to 3 times for a total of 30 minutes of run time. This keeps your car warm or cool without having to go outside multiple times. Hidden feature number 8, selective door unlock. This is a safety feature that most people don't know exists or how to control. You can program your Subaru to unlock only the driver's door on the first key fob press, then all doors on the second press. Why? Safety. If you're approaching your car alone at night, you don't want all 4 doors unlocking, just yours. Here's how to toggle this feature. For most 2015 plus models, go to Settings on your infotainment screen. Select Vehicle Settings or Door Settings. Find All Doors Unlock. Toggle it on for all doors to unlock with one press. Toggle it off for selective unlocking. Driver's door first, all doors second press. This is configurable to your preference. Hidden feature number 9, finding your car in a parking lot. In a parking lot, you parked at the mall. Now you can't remember where. Your key fob can help you find your car. Press the lock button. Your car will flash its lights and honk once. Follow the lights and sound. Even better, if you have remote start, activating it from across the parking lot will make your car much more visible with lights on and engine running. This simple trick has saved countless people wandering around parking garages for 20 minutes. Hidden feature number 10, auto lock when walking away. If you have a push-button start Subaru with keyless entry, you might not know about this feature. You can set your car to automatically lock when you walk away with the key fob. Here's how to enable it. Go to Settings in your infotainment system. Select Keyless Access Settings. Enable Auto Lock. Now, when you walk away from your car with the fob in your pocket, it will automatically lock after a few seconds. No more second guessing whether you locked your car. Hidden feature number 11, disabling the double honk when locking. When you lock your Subaru with the fob, it honks. Once if it locks successfully, twice if a door is open. That double honk is loud and obnoxious, especially late at night in quiet neighborhoods. You can disable it. Press lock on your fob. While the lights are flashing, immediately press lock again within 5 seconds. The horn confirmation is now disabled. Next time you lock the car, it will only flash lights, no honk. To re-enable it, repeat the process. This is a temporary disable that resets every time you start the car, but it's useful for late-night arrivals. Hidden feature number 12, remote start from your phone. If you have a 2019 or newer Subaru with Starlink, you might not realize you can remote start from your phone. Download the My Subaru app. Subscribe to Starlink. Often includes a free trial period. Once activated, you can remote start, lock, unlock, and even locate your Subaru from anywhere in the world with cell coverage. The range is unlimited, unlike your key fob, which maxes out at a few hundred feet. This is especially useful if you forgot where you parked at the airport or want to start your car from inside a building where the key fob won't reach. Hidden feature number 13, key fob range extender trick. Your key fob normally works from about 50 to 100 feet away. Here's a weird trick to extend that range. Hold the key fob against your head right under your chin. Press the button. Your skull acts as an antenna and can double your range. Yes, this sounds ridiculous. Yes, it actually works. Your head is mostly water, which conducts the radio signal better. People have tested this and consistently get 1.5 to 2 times the normal range. Hidden feature number 14, valet mode key programming. If you need to give your key to a valet or service center, you don't want them accessing your glove box or trunk. Some Subarus allow you to program a valet mode. Use the physical key to lock the glove box. The valet can drive the car but can't access locked compartments. On newer models with electronic valet mode, go to Settings, Enable Valet Mode. This limits top speed and disables trunk access from inside the car. Your valuables stay secure even when someone else is driving. Hidden feature number 15, replacing the battery yourself. When your key fob battery dies, dealers charge $20 to $40 to replace it. You can do it yourself for $3. Find the small slot on the side of the fob. Insert a flathead screwdriver or coin and twist to pop it open. Remove the old battery, usually CR2032. Insert a new battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together. Takes 60 seconds. Costs $3 at any pharmacy or dollar store. The bottom line. Your Subaru key fob can do way more than just lock and unlock your car. Remote window control, dead battery workarounds, self-programming new keys, panic alarm instant disable, extended remote start, selective door unlocking, finding your car in parking lots, auto lock when walking away, horn disable, phone remote start, range extending tricks, valet mode, and DIY battery replacement. Most of these features are completely hidden. They're not advertised. Salespeople don't mention them, and they're barely explained in the owner's manual. But now you know all of them. Try them out, share them with other Subaru owners, and enjoy your key fob's full potential instead of just the basic functions. Your Subaru is smarter than you thought, and now you know how to use it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.